Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
Have you heard about Roth IRAs? They're fantastic for retirement savings because your money grows tax-free, and withdrawals in retirement are also tax-free. Now, a self-directed Roth IRA takes that a step further. It gives you incredible control, letting you invest in a much wider range of assets beyond just stocks and bonds. It's truly about empowering your investment strategy. So why would you choose a self-directed Roth? Well, the main draw is still that amazing tax-free growth and the ability to withdraw your funds tax-free in retirement, assuming you meet the rules. But with the self-directed part, you can significantly diversify your portfolio. This opens up opportunities for potentially higher returns by including assets not typically available in standard accounts, truly expanding your investment horizon. This is where it gets exciting. With a self-directed Roth, you can invest in things like real estate, whether it's rental properties or even raw land. You can also explore private equity or even cutting-edge options like cryptocurrencies. This flexibility goes far beyond the typical stocks, bonds, or mutual funds found in a regular IRA. Just remember, research is key for these alternative investments. Ready to open one? Your first step is finding a specialized custodian. These are companies that specifically handle self-directed IRAs and their unique asset types. Once you choose one, you'll complete their application, usually online, and then fund your new account. After that, you're free to select your investments, always ensuring they comply with IRS regulations for IRAs. Before you dive in, keep a few things in mind. Roth IRAs have annual contribution limits, and there are income requirements you need to meet. It's also crucial to understand prohibited transactions, which are rules about who you can transact with to avoid self-dealing. For complex strategies, consulting a financial advisor or tax professional is always a smart move, ensuring you're making the best decisions for your future.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.